Okay. I didn't realize it was on the cliff. Here we go. Get the spur in there. There we go. Pretty healthy alder, so I'm gonna leave it because I'm on a big old bluff, as you can see. So I want all the trees I want. I mean, I want all the trees I can have, but also I'm paying money and taxes for a view, so I'm gonna get a view. Okay, we are Clifton and heading there. See, like this little limb, it's fine. Go right up above it. That's the only bummer though. Switch this. I got this new system because I like all these Canadian guys. I don't know if you can see it, but I put my handle like that. So nice for when you're cutting, but when you're climbing, I like putting my flip lines, running them over and through this ring back here with the monkey beaver setup. Pretty nice. Okay, make some more progress and we'll get back. We got a beach trail down here, so we don't want to land it. You can kind of see there's the gate. Billy, Billy! Side hill. You guys think I'm not clipped in. I got one lower. I always carry two flip lines because that's how the guy taught me. And I carry steel core. And I almost always have spurs. He's pretty old school. It really doesn't even like when I wear an ascending device. He just likes when I have a rope. So, but today I'm on my own, so I am going to use a device because I love devices. What can I say? I'm a young guy. Okay, so I'm near the top and I'm like, oh, wait a minute. If I go up any higher, yeah, I can take the top, but it's just going to get totally stuck. And I probably want to come down because there's my house through there. I'm going to have to take out whatever this stuff is, cherry. And so I'm gonna have to make an alleyway if I do want to take a smaller top and take it out this way. So I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna take out that big branch right there and then some of these smaller ones. So I'm gonna take out this branch too and I'll push it all down that way. Okay, let's try it. Enough talking. More cutty, as my friend likes to say. Yeah, that's a nice leg, but probably should go too. I mean, that's as high as the top. So we take that one. Might not even land on the stairs. Let's try it. Okay. Try to hug that. Yeah, she's stuck. So let's see here. Get this one now. Perfect. See? Universe gives you one. You can't all go to plan. So let's give this thing a little extra. So, let's see, we've opened up a bit here. Still bummed about that one. Maybe I can just go up and limb walk out. I should just take care of that. Okay, YouTube. Okay. We got this big old branch above my head. I don't really want it to hit me, but I'm pretty protected. I can swoop out of the way. So we're gonna try to face cut here. So I want it to go that way. Yeah. Swoop around. Put her back cut here. Perfect. There's a tiny bit to cut off. Main reason I'm using this. I usually use this in the mornings for jobs, but right now my kid's sleeping, so I figured that's better than my Husqvarna 542 XP, and I put a West Coast saw muffler on there. It screams, so it'll probably wake her up. Okay, I'm gonna climb back up, back to my tie-on. Just look at that, isn't that pretty? Got Tio over there. I think I almost see a rainbow, but maybe we'll get a little higher and find out. Okie dokie. I'm just putting on my second tie. I think in between gusts, I'm gonna be able to take this top. We got big branch there. Actually, maybe take I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm gonna take this branch. Nice. There's a better view too. Cut through there, but I really wanted most of my holding wood to pull it over. And even with the wind, it was no problem. I bet that's gonna be a lot better from our house. Maybe I'll take off one more chunk and a couple more branches. Okay. Yeah, I did most of the stuff. I just wanted to be able to crack it off. Maybe put my foot against this guy. Create some. Okay. Remember, don't work too hard. You got the tools. Oh. 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 You hear that? Crack-a-lagging. There we go. And then a shove. I'll get it when I come down. Then, this one, I'm gonna try to push it with all that other debris. Big branch. Almost. Maybe I can pull it up. That's the only sucky thing about that. Okay. Don't get overwhelmed. Remember, folks, put your stuff away and then go ham. Sometimes you just gotta get real aggressive. Oh yeah. Okay. Chunky. I'm gonna do a little angler, I think, to finish it off. May take that branch. That one is almost as high as the top. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do an angler. Those are all cut off. This is just so it'll heal. It's cutting pretty good. Oh, I need some love. Okay, now. That last row is a bummer. I think it was as big as the tree. Get on this side and try to push it so it misses that. Yeah. I might head up that way. Well, not that way. There's a couple alders there that might be in the view too. Okay, here we are. The last branch, I think, is tall enough. Or I mean, short enough. That wind is probably going to help me with that branch. I'm trying to hope to maybe hinge this past that crook, but it's probably not going to happen. with that attitude, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Close. You guys saw it. So now we'll just take some weight off of it. That's really all you can do. Or I can grab my pole hook, but we're not gonna do that. Nope, no siree. We're gonna get up here. Tighten this thing. It is really easy to feed. What's the right word here, YouTube? To feed it through when it feeds. Not this, but when you tender. Really good at tendering. See? Pull up. Watch this. Swoop. I mean, that's pretty nice. Remember, get all your dead wood. Anything broken, I see another broken branch. This is smashed it. That's okay, we'll just trim it off and then she'll live. Beautiful. I don't know quite how I feel about, I don't like topping trees really. Not a big fan of it. But with alders, I don't really care. Not a big fan of alders, so I like them on my bluff. That's where they can stay. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Ooh. No. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now we can get it. So, it's like maybe I can, there's a pathway. I don't know quite how to get to those alders. Maybe I should get these things first, those will be easy. Favorite game. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, down on the ground. Just gotta get out of here, and then we can climb and top some of these, and then maybe go to those alders, because I think those were in my way too. Okay. Okay. Back up for another tree. Hey ho! Hey ho! When climbing, you try not to be too disconcerted when you're like taking out a top and then you take out like a tree like this, like you just climb with the top. The soil right now in Western Washington is super saturated with water because we've been having a ton of rain, and the trees have been falling over. I posted one short of this crazy blowdown that I didn't climb it. It was above my pay grade, but it was fun to be a part of. Very high in these. Oh yeah. Nice. Worked pretty dang good. And what do I want to do with this guy? Gonna do it. Need a little tickle. There you go. Looks a little tied up. So we're gonna do it. Don't you dare. Wind really wants to take this sucker. Go, let's go a little. Hey. Let's go over center, and then we're good. Okay, nope. So you can get back. Woo. Golden wood. That one's picking it up.
sneaky. Now when one climb here. Tickle more. That really held on. Alder, all these cherries. I'm impressed. Probably should get new batteries. Just got those alders. Sometimes I've noticed that these batteries after 2 go down. The 12 amp one, the HC12 or whatever is the
Okay, so the wind's coming towards me from that way, so I don't really want to fill it. That's probably not the best way to fill it, but I don't really want to go into that tree either because it's going to come back at me. So we're going to try this way. I'm going to do a big old deep cut. Everything I got. I guess. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Looks like it's yeah, I gotta climb down. Okay. The culprits. Get out of here, guys. You're like me. Feelings not mutual. Ow. Another trucker. chopping.
I didn't think I was gonna take my original way, but here we are. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good enough for a couple hours. And no cleanup. You gotta love that. Might as well do the climb up. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Like head height. Okay. And then it's just the last day maples over that way, but I won't worry about those today.